For sale, 1964 Corvette Roadster. Garage for the last 23 years. California car. 4-speed. 327 engine. 300 horsepower car. Supposedly matching numbers. Supposedly fresh 8,000 miles ago, according to the last owner. I have not seen it with my own eyes. Car has headers on it. Stock exhaust manifolds are included, along with the distributor shielding and the original fan also. It's got power steering, power windows, power brakes. Years ago, the car rolled out of the driveway and the passenger side rear quarter tapped into a bumper of a car, and there was a crack in it. That was just professionally fixed. Paint matched. Whole car was just color sanded professionally, buffed. Runs and drives real good. Give me a call if you have any questions. Car has no rust. It is the original color combo. Hard top only comes with the car. Has a new fuel pump, new sending unit, new brakes, gas tanks cleaned out. All the fluids are changed. New tires will be going on it in the next couple days. The car is located in Reno, Nevada. There was just a big storm yesterday. Sorry for the snow in the background. Doesn't help with a white car. Price is $51,000 at this time firm. If it's not sold within a week, then possibly a close offer. Give me a call if you have any questions, 714-757-8437, or email rpmron@gmail.com. Thank you.